Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goal on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goal for the step or steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, tap on More to open the menu. Here find the option called Activities, then find the steps, and once you find the steps, tap on it, and in the steps menu tap on the More Options icon, and then tap on Edit Goal, and here we can edit the goal for our steps. You can also enable the option for the auto goal, and basically the app will determine your goal during making the decision from your activity. And once you're done, you can tap on Save, and the goal will be updated. So if you go to your watch, open the glance, for example. So let's go through the list of glances. Here we have a step. It's not updated yet, but if we go back to the home page and sync our watch with a phone, and it's done syncing. Once it's done syncing, the goal should be updated. As you can see, it did. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.